Celebrity brands undoubtedly stand at the forefront of the beauty industry. Charlotte Tilbury is an ageless beauty icon. Even at 51, this celebrity still has one of the best skin in the industry. Her brand has been successful since its inception. The brand has won over 300 awards since 2013. Known for their luxurious cosmetics products and social media presence, it is one of the most successful brands today. What events unfolded during her remarkable journey to success? Join us in this video as we explore the rise of Charlotte Tilbury. British makeup artist Charlotte Tilbury has established herself as a highly influential figure in the makeup industry through her work on cover looks for renowned fashion magazines, collaborations with designer beauty brands, and associations with supermodels. She has further solidified her reputation as a leading figure in the UK makeup industry by launching her beauty collection, Charlotte Tilbury Beauty, which has garnered widespread acclaim and popularity for its innovative and high-quality products. But she wasn't popular initially. This superstar had humble beginnings. The public figure was born in London, England, on February 10, 1973, to artist Lance Tilbury and production manager Patsy Dodd. When she was 9 months old, her parents decided to move the family to Ibiza, Spain. Growing up in the enchanting surroundings of Ibiza, Charlotte soaked in the magic of the place, surrounded by a diverse group of creatives. This unique environment became a catalyst for her artistic inclinations. She started her career in makeup as an assistant to Mary Greenwell, whom she happened to meet at a very young age in America. The mentorship of Mary Greenwell played a pivotal role in shaping Charlotte's approach to makeup. Under Greenwell's guidance, Charlotte's passion for makeup gradually evolved. Educated at the Glauca Rossi School of Makeup, Charlotte honed her skills, laying the groundwork for her future success. Her persistence as a young makeup artist became evident as she built a network of professionals, including photographers, models, and stylists. These early experiences set the stage for her expansive career, creating cover looks and campaigns for globally renowned fashion magazines, including British, French, and Italian Vogue, showcased her artistic prowess. Her artistic brilliance became evident as she graced over 180 magazine covers and orchestrated over 600 editorial and advertising campaigns. This prolific output showcased her versatility and underscored her ability to create captivating and trend-setting looks that resonated with both the fashion elite and the wider audience. One of the memorable moments in Charlotte's career was her role as a creative director for several prestigious beauty companies. In 2007, she embarked on a groundbreaking collaboration with MAC Cosmetics and the visionary designer Alexander McQueen. The result was the exclusive MAC for McQueen collection, a 16-piece ensemble that seamlessly blended Charlotte's artistic vision with McQueen's aesthetics.
Hey, right, so first and foremost, let's go back. When were you first interested in makeup?
Well, darling, at the age of 13, I discovered a tube of mascara, and then I realised, my God, this is so empowering, because I have fair eyelashes, and I was like, this is amazing. Makeup is so empowering.
Yeah. The collection paid homage to historical influences and reinforced Charlotte's ability to push the boundaries of conventional beauty. Her collaborative spirit extended further with the development of the Tom Ford beauty range. Charlotte gradually found herself at the heart of the supermodel era in the 80s and 90s, working with iconic figures like Kate Moss, Naomi Campbell, Cindy Crawford, and Linda Evangelista. She contributed to defining the beauty standards of an entire generation. Her work wasn't confined to the past. She seamlessly transitioned to collaborating with contemporary stars such as Amal Clooney, Kim Kardashian West, and Kendall Jenner, establishing a timeless legacy that bridged generations. As the show makeup director for renowned brands like Prada, Miu Miu, and Chloe, Charlotte didn't merely follow trends, she set them. Her visionary approach to runway makeup left a lasting mark, with her creations becoming benchmarks for the evolving landscape of beauty trends. Collaborating with industry-leading photographers further reinforced her ability to translate conceptual visions into visually stunning realities. Charlotte Tilbury's journey into social media, especially YouTube, marked a revolution in her approach to engaging with beauty enthusiasts worldwide. In 2012, she strategically expanded her brand presence through a well-curated YouTube channel and blog, transcending the traditional boundaries of the makeup industry. This YouTube channel became a virtual makeup haven, offering viewers a front-row seat to Charlotte's artistic process. Beyond conventional tutorials, she delved into the intricacies of industry dynamics, sharing insider tips and the behind-the-scenes magic that fueled her career. The platform showcased her technical expertise and revealed her charismatic and relatable persona, fostering a sense of community among makeup enthusiasts. The Feline Flick Cat Eye Makeup Tutorial, a captivating step-by-step guide to achieving her signature cat eye look, emerged as a digital sensation. The tutorial testified to Charlotte's ability to demystify complex makeup techniques by gaining 5 million views. It solidified her status as a makeup artist and an influential beauty educator, resonating with a diverse demographic eager to master the art of makeup. Additionally, the Amal Clooney's wedding makeup tutorial, showcasing the rigorous creation of Amal Clooney's iconic wedding look, provided an intimate glimpse into Charlotte's work with A-list celebrities. With over 2 million views, it captivated fans and established her digital platform as a go-to destination for those seeking insights into celebrity beauty transformations. Charlotte Tilbury's venture into creating her beauty empire marked a significant chapter in her career through the launch of Charlotte Tilbury brand. In September 2013, Charlotte launched Charlotte Tilbury Beauty, a brand rooted in her philosophy that every woman deserves to feel beautiful, powerful, and sexy. The launch marked a departure from being the artist behind the scenes to becoming the visionary behind her collection. The brand's founding principles were clear: to offer a comprehensive product line of 200 items catering to diverse skin tones, shades, and types. To Charlotte, the launch of her brand wasn't merely about introducing makeup, it was a carefully curated experience empowering individuals to embrace their unique beauty. Charlotte's brand success extended beyond the ordinary. Products like Charlotte's Magic Cream Moisturizer and Full Fat Lashes Mascara became favorites, attaining iconic status in the beauty industry. The Magic Cream, in particular, garnered attention for its transformative effects, achieving a delicate balance between skincare and makeup. As a makeup artist expanding into skincare, Charlotte challenged industry norms, creating a harmonious blend that resonated with consumers globally. The success of her brand was not solely reliant on established products. Charlotte's ability to infuse innovation into her creations remained constant. Her latest foundation launch became popular among bloggers thanks to its multitasking capabilities, boasting a full coverage yet lightweight formula, a natural finish, and anti-aging properties. This launch reaffirmed Charlotte Tilbury Beauty's commitment to staying at the forefront of industry trends, adapting to beauty enthusiasts' evolving needs and desires. One of the marketing strategies adopted by beauty brands to increase their sales is social media marketing. With over 8 million followers across YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, the brand leveraged this audience to broadcast to the world during and after launch. Charlotte and her team nurture partnerships with celebrities in their network. The brand regularly shows exclusive behind-the-scenes content from major star-studded events. The rise of Charlotte Tilbury was meteoric, but like any company, the path to becoming established wasn't all smooth. It also had its challenges. In the fast-paced beauty world, trends evolve rapidly, and consumer preferences are dynamic. Charlotte Tilbury's brand's downward slope was somewhat related to the consequence of the evolving market dynamics and intensified competition. Emerging beauty brands with innovative approaches began to reshape industry standards. The once revolutionary concepts pioneered by Charlotte faced the challenge of staying ahead in an environment driven by perpetual changes. The demand for diversity and inclusivity in beauty products surged, and newer brands well-suited at meeting these evolving expectations gained traction. However, Charlotte Beauty brand still had their products, which withstood the competitive world of the beauty industry. Brooke Shields' legal action against Charlotte Tilbury, initially centered on the unauthorized use of her name for an eyebrow pencil, emerged as a pivotal turning point that affected this renowned beauty brand. The lawsuit revealed a clash between a celebrity's rights and a beauty mogul's marketing strategy. The legal battle cast a spotlight on the ethical considerations surrounding the use of celebrity names in beauty products and sparked a wave of public inspection. Consumers and industry observers began questioning the brand's practices, scrutinizing its authenticity and commitment to respecting the rights of public figures. Moreover, Brooke Shields' legal representation, led by attorney Alex Weingarten, strategically framed the lawsuit as an egregious violation of Shields' rights. This narrative struck a chord with the public, portraying Charlotte Tilbury as a brand willing to exploit a celebrity's identity for financial gain. Charlotte Tilbury Beauty faced a consumer backlash, with some expressing disappointment and even boycotting the brand in solidarity with Brooke Shields. Social media platforms became battlegrounds for discussions on ethical branding, with hashtags like "Respect Celebrities," rights gaining momentum. Regardless of the controversy surrounding her products, her brand has endured tough times and still stands tall. What are your thoughts about Charlotte Tilbury? Feel free to let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to avoid missing out on future updates. See you in the next one.